Hello friends, today we're going to make a very quick and easy pastry with this delicious chocolate that has hazelnuts. It's Milka chocolate. It's from Germany actually. So you can buy it in some stores, I don't know. I bought this at the Russian store, but it's imported from Germany. And then you're going to need a puff pastry. So it's very easy to do. I have this recipe on my blog, but nobody lately likes to read or, look at the blog. So people want to see it. So this is, I don't know if I have two in here or one, but let me see. Okay, probably one, a big sheet. That's very, very big. I think I'm gonna use it for something else too, because ooh, that's huge. I only need like as much as as long as this chocolate is, like this much, basically. So I'm gonna cut this off and use the other one for something else. Get my chocolate. Love this chocolate. I think it's milk chocolate, isn't it? Yes, milk chocolate and has hazelnuts. Delicious. But when you put it in the puff pastry, it's even more delicious. So I've tried this many times. You just go like that. And I'm gonna make the braided one like this. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Got the point how to do this. Just put it in the middle and make some cuts like this so you can braid it. Like I said, very easy. You don't have to be even or anything. This one, I'm just gonna go like that. Probably a little bit too much. Gonna cut it off. Don't like it. It's gonna be too much. Okay, this one's perfect. And just braid it. Oh, the chocolate matches my nails. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cute. Not. Just kidding. Talking to myself over here. And the dog wants to go outside, lol. Thank you. So basically, once you braid this, you put it in the oven for, everybody has different oven. I like to put my stuff around like 380, 385, 390, 400. So I'm gonna try in my oven, I'm gonna try and put it at, excuse me, at 390 degrees for 15 minutes and see how it looks after 15 minutes. I usually put Alexa timer, and then if it's ready, oops, she started talking. Stop, Alexa, stop. I wasn't talking to you yet, lol. Anyway, it's not perfect, but not everything in life is perfect. I don't like this. But still looks okay. Started good. Anyway, this is how it looks. Actually, gonna use 1 egg and just whisk it and put some egg on top. So okay, now that I've whisked my egg, just gonna top it. So this is like holds it together kind of and everything. Thanks. The egg holds it together. And then just gonna put it on the baking sheet and put it at 390 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, I put my pastry on the baking sheet and I put it on the parchment paper. That way it's not gonna stick. Do that for a minute, the word I'm looking for. So this is ready to go in the oven at 390 degrees for 15 minutes. And I will check in 15 minutes. If I need to put for 5 more minutes, I'll let you guys know. Okay, I had it for 390 degrees. 390 degrees for 20 minutes, and then I did 5 minutes on the broil. And look at this. Looks really good.
Ooh la la.
Some chocolate came out, but you know, it's okay. You gotta hear the crunch. You should gotta hear that crunch. And since it's still hot, it's kind of like the chocolate is all melted, but it looks delicious. Look at that hazelnut over there. Let's put some
powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
My favorite. Yum.
Want it gonna be a little bit cooled off, we'll try it, yeah?
Yeah. Ooh.
Other than that, it looks very delicious. Chocolate is just like, oh, coming
so
out
good
because it's hot.
Yeah.
Me and Ariana are gonna try this delicious pastry with chocolate, right?
Yep.
Puff pastry. It's still a little hot, but
eat it like this.
So yummy. Love it.
I love the chocolate.
It has that
Hazelnut.
hazelnut. I love hazelnut. I love hazelnut. Chocolate is just coming out because it's still hot. So anyway, sorry. Sorry if we're dirty. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and, you know, look at some other videos that I have. And more to come. Thank you. Bye.